Good afternoon, everyone. Hope you all are having a great day so far. So, over here, I have a Matco 1/4 inch 88 tooth ratchet, flex head, and the handle is pretty beaten up. Based on all the information I was able to find online, I was informed that the handles on these ratchets cannot be removed. So, making this quick video just as a tip. Looking over to the left, I have my table vise. So, I just flexed the head down and secured it to the vise. Gonna take this 11mm wrench, place it over the handle like so, and then just whack it. There it is. So, contrary to popular belief, the Matco handles are removable from the ratchets, and you should be able to change it with a suitable replacement handle as well. However, with that being said, that's it for today's video. So thank you all for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave those down in the comments below, and please consider subscribing, as it helps the channel a lot. But in any case, thank you all for watching, and I hope you all have a great day. Take care.